Offer your customers beauty and value with our 2 new lab-grown diamond stud earring selling systems. Choose between our best-selling 3-prong cocktail-style earring or our 4-prong basket-style earring. Both selling systems feature 6 sizes, ranging from 1/3 carat total weight all the way up to 2 carat total weight. The systems are offered in SI1, SI2 diamond clarity and GH diamond color in 14 karat white. Within the featured stud earrings, you also have the option to choose VS diamond clarity and F+ diamond color in 14 karat white, yellow, and rose gold to meet any customer's needs. These stunning lab-grown diamond stud earrings have the same timeless beauty as their natural diamond counterparts, and you can have these through next-day delivery or sell them straight out of the selling system and place a replenishment order. This selling system has a compact modular display with kickstand for easy setup, a small in-case footprint, and comes with a detailed product guide that showcases the entire range of options available along with suggested retail pricing. They're perfect for your customers who are looking for stunning looks at an affordable price. Order yours today by clicking the link in the description.